What's up, folks? Today we'll have problem number 40. Problem number 40, it's about to write a program to ask the user to insert a number of the month, this time of the month. The previous lesson was of the day, and bring the month that's belong to the number on the cursor screen. Same exactly like the previous problem. We're just going to change the name of the enum and the name of the function. So why I repeat, if you ask yourself now, why I repeat the same solution of the previous problem in this problem number 40, to let you get used about the reusability. In this problem, we won't take number from the user, exactly like the previous problem, and this number we will see in this program or in our solution belong to which month, not which day. In the previous problem, we want the day of the weeks. If it was Saturday, Sunday, for example, if the user insert number 7, it's Friday, so 7 it's represent Friday in the enum. But this time we have a different number, as you see on screen. 1 represent January, 2 represent February, 3 represent March, till 12 represent December. All right, and we change the name a little bit of the function. For example, it was read day of week, but this time read month of year. So we change a little bit the name also of enum. And this is the prefix, as explained many times before. Months of year, it was days of week. Okay, so why I apply the same solution of the previous problem in this lesson? To let you get used about reusability, to let you know that the programming, it's easy if you break your program to the small function and procedure. If you use function, procedures, enum, structure, if else statement, now switch case statement, and now put everything in the main function, you will get back to the same code, to the same solution that it was solve something else. You will just slightly change the name of the function, and for example here we add more numbers in the enum to represent more things. For example, here we have 12 months, so we add, it was just till 7, we were having 7 numbers in the enum, now we have 12 numbers, and everything is same. I didn't change anything. I'll open for you the program. We're starting here from enum, we change its name and months of year. We put inside the 12 numbers, each number represent a month, and after that we have read numbers in range. It's same exactly, it takes from 2, this is just for the range, and it's from float data type. Let's open it. It's same float number equal 0, do while loop. It's exactly the same the previous problem. And after that we have this function read month of year. It was read days of week, but now we change it according to the problem of this lesson, and also inside it it's exactly everything same. Return, we casting the function, which is the value that we get from this function, read number in range, to the enum, and please enter a number between 1 and 12 because you have 12 months. And also we put here from 1 and 2 instead 7 like the previous problem. We make it 12 because we have 12 months in here. All right, and the last function same, but we change its name a little bit. Get month of year, it was get days of year. Even here, look, I forgot to change the name of the variable in the parameter of get month of year. It was there from the previous problem. When I modified it for this lesson, I forget to modify the name of the variable or change the name of the variable from day to month. Let's modify it together. Click right mouse and go to rename, and right here month instead of day. Apply, it will be month everywhere. Let's open function, get month of year. It was get day of week. We use the same switch case statement, but we add more cases. For example, we will have 7 cases, now we have 12 cases according to the months of the year. So switch month, if the case 1 it was January, please return January, print for me January, so on till December. And if the user insert a different name of the months that do not exist, we could display for them this string, not a valid month. Okay, and in the main function we change the day in the string to the month. The month is get month of year, to the read month of year in its parameter. And once we did run, the compiler go to the read month of year, which is this function here, and get inside it, return read number in range. Display this question for the user on cursor screen. Please enter a number between 1 and 12 this time, and we have the range here from store inside it 1 to store inside it 12, and all this value of this function read the number in range, we'll cast it to enum, and after that we will get the month of year by using switch case statement. When the compiler return for us the month of year, we print it. Let's do run together, check it out together. Perfect. Once we did run, the command display for us this question. Please enter a number between 1 and 12. Let's say 13. 13 it's out of the range. Okay, please enter a number between 1 and 12. Let's say 0. 0 it's out of the range. So the compiler here catch me for 2 times the user by using do while loop. Do, for example, execute for me this question and check if this number in the range. If the number out of the range, display for me again the question until the user, which is me now, insert a number in the range. Let's say 3, the month is March. Perfect. So that was the problem of today, how to write a program to ask the user to insert number of month and print the month that's belong to the number on the screen. See you next lesson, next problem. Ciao.